Saturday morning. We've been working on this for about 7 days now, excluding the foundation. But here is how we are. We're running out of block, and that's a good thing. We've got the top course to put on there. We're going to fill all the blocks with concrete. This is our first wall like this. Very, very straight. Each block went in meticulously, if I do say so, or with care. I'll put it that way. We have one more course to put on here, and we have to cut about 1 inch off of the block. So that's what we're going to do now. And the blocks will be filled with concrete. We'll probably throw some rebar pieces in there just because we can. Here's some new PVC going in. No leaks. We have nice slight pitch on it, very slight pitch. The first one right there will go to the, let's see, that'll go to the sink. Second one there will go, no, this will be the shower. The first one will be like a 36 by 36 walk-in shower, little shower there with tile. The second piece right there, that will be for your sink. The third one, that is the bigger pipe there. That is for your second floor toilet and sink, second floor plumbing. And as we go back, that tall stack right there will be cut down, of course, and that's where the toilet will be. And let's see, we go back there with the kitchen plumbing, and this short stack right there will go over to the laundry. There'll be a like a dog clean out place right here, and then washer and dryer there. So that will be for the plumbing for those. All brand new. And we've done a lot of wiring on this house. The whole house actually has been we're continuing. Here's the concrete mix we're using, and here's our mortar mix, blended mason mix, 80 pounds. Here's some of the cast iron plumbing and old plumbing that we're getting out of there. And I want to show you this wall we restored here. Started out like this. We're going to continue this into the brand new steps and patio that's going up here. So, but we decided to fix this old wall, which is very, very sturdy underneath here. It goes down in there. We've dealt with it, and it's very strong under there. So here's about where we started. And we started leveling up the blocks here. So we're coming along here. Keep everything nice and level. Now everything's sturdy, or solid, I should say. Nice and solid. We used rock. Come along here. Type S. There's the type of mortar that we used. Come along here. Also, there's been some patches in here you really don't even notice. We blended them in nicely, I think. Here, this is a nice little feature here. This actually goes to a sump pump. It's all brand new stuff going in there. It goes into a sump pump. That was put in recently, a little while back. So come along here. Here's a nice wall. It's nice and level. Didn't cost, it just cost for the mortar. Didn't cost, we had all the material, of course, just for the mortar. Type S. Come along here. We threw some brand new ones on here to make it look nice. Nice place to put and sit or put a drink. And then capped it off with just some stones from around the property here. And Kayla's nice flower garden she's got going here. Here comes my faithful dog Lucky. Come on over here. Come on up to the camera here. You ever been on camera? Come on. Come on. Hey, you want to go down the creek? Come on. I bet he comes now. You want to go up to the barn? Let's go. Go in the barn? One more course block to add here. We need to cut about an inch off. We got to get rid of this debris today. That's what we're working on. See, you notice the block there. We got a lot of block for the foundation. wasn't that bad. We tried a Sawzall, and that wouldn't even do anything on this. So we got it out of there. It's heavier than it looks. Very heavy.
What's your brand? You want to come get the ATV? Let's get the ATV. Come on, man. You coming?